How to unlink Microsoft account from PS5. In this video, I'll show you how to unlink Microsoft account from PS5. So to get started, go ahead and open Microsoft into your browser and then sign into your Microsoft account. So in here, go ahead and head over into the privacy tab. And then once you're in this section, go ahead and click on the apps and services. So you'll find that under the empower your productivity section. So go ahead and scroll down into the section and then click on apps and services. So in here, you'll be able to find the apps and services where you've shared your Microsoft account to. So go ahead and scroll down and you'll be able to find the app access tab. So on the app access tab, you'll be able to find all of the applications connected to your Microsoft account. So click on app access. And then once you're on the app access, go ahead and select your PS5 account and then click on the details button at the right side of that and then click on the stop sharing button to disconnect or remove the connection between your PS5 account and your Microsoft account.